So children, let's move on to the next video, that is management as a science. Now in this video, we have to find out or figure out that management is a science or not. For that, you have to understand the meaning of science first. What is science? Science is a systematic body of knowledge based on cause and effect relationship and on experimentation. There are different definitions for science, like science is a body of systemized knowledge accumulated and accepted with reference to the understanding of general truths concerning a particular phenomena, subject or object of studies. There are very important elements of science which you need to understand, and those elements are listed over here. 5 elements are there. First is systemized body of knowledge. Science is a systemized body of knowledge. Science is based on collection of facts, analysis and experiments. Science has universal application. It satisfies cause and effect relationship. It verifies, means verification of validity, and predictions of result in science is possible. Now we have to check out that whether these 5 features or elements of science are satisfied by management or not. If yes, then management is a science, and if not, then it is not a science. First point is systemized body of knowledge. It is necessary for science to be a systemized body of knowledge. Management is also a systemized body of knowledge because it came to be recognized after years of search and experimentation by the experts of management. So management satisfies the first point, that is systemized body of knowledge. Yes, in management also there is a body of knowledge which is systemized. Second point is based on collection, facts, analysis and experimentation. After applying this characteristic of science to management, we find that development of management took years of collection of fact, their analysis and experiment. In other words, management come into existence because of the continuous and encouraging work of the theorists and various people concerned. It means that yes, management is also based on collection of fact. Analysis is there, experimentations are there. So second point of science is also satisfied by the management. Now third point, universal application. Scientific principles are based on truth and they can be applied at every time and in every situation. Thus, its universal application is possible. But in the field of management too, managerial knowledge and principle of management are considered to be based on truth, and they too can be applied anywhere and in any situation. Universal application means which is present everywhere or which can be applied every situation everywhere. In management also, the principles and rules can be applied universally. So management satisfies the third point of science also, that yes, it has universal applicability. Now the fourth point, and the point is cause and effect relationship. Scientific principle always explain the relationship between cause and effect, that what has happened. If it has happened, what is the cause behind it, right? This is known as cause and effect relationship. When it is applied to management, we come to know that principle of management also established this relationship. In principle of management also, cause and effect relationship is there. Now this point is also being satisfied by the management. Cause and effect relationship, what does it mean? इसका मतलब है अगर ऐसा हुआ तो इसके पीछे का रीज़न क्या है? What is the reason behind that? अगर ये इफेक्ट है तो कॉज क्या है? अगर हम ऐसा करेंगे तो इसका इफेक्ट क्या आएगा? उस रिलेशनशिप को कॉज एंड इफेक्ट रिलेशनशिप कहा जाता है. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द लास्ट पॉइंट, दैट इज वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ वैलिडिटी एंड प्रिडिक्शन ऑफ रिजल्ट्स पॉसिबल. More collection of knowledge and fact is not science. For science, validity and prediction of result is very much important. The validity of principle of management can also be verified and result can be predicted on the application of any social principle. Hence, the principle of management, like the principle of science, can improve their validity on the flow of practicality. Now, this point is also being satisfied by the management that yes, verification of validity and prediction of result is possible in this also. So, what is the conclusion? See, management is said to be a soft science. It is not a perfect science. Why? Because its concept has wide acceptability and recognition, but these give different result in different situation. Above all points are being satisfied by management. जितने भी points आपको बताए गए हैं सारे के सारे management satisfy करती है. That's why it is in science, but ये exact science नहीं है क्योंकि इसके principles different results देते हैं different situation में. That's why it is known as a soft science or imperfect, inexact science. ठीक है? इसीलिए why? Because the principle of management are not very rigid. बहुत ज़्यादा rigid नहीं है. सिचुएशन के हिसाब से चेंज किए जा सकते हैं, फ्लेक्सिबल इनफ है, राइट. बट साइंस के प्रिंसिपल्स दे आर वेरी रिजिड. बहुत ही माइन्यूट सा डिफरेंस है साइंस और मैनेजमेंट के बीच, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट मैनेजमेंट इज नोन एज अ सॉफ्ट साइंस, नॉट एग्जैक्ट साइंस. सो इफ अ क्वेश्चन कम्स दैट वेदर मैनेजमेंट इज एन आर्ट और अ साइंस, वो साइंस है या आर्ट है, तो आपने देखा कि सारे के सारे आर्ट और साइंस के फीचर्स वो सेटिस्फाई करती है, तो आप लोग आंसर लिखेंगे दैट येस मैनेजमेंट इज बोथ साइंस एज वेल एज एन आर्ट. वो साइंस और आर्ट दोनों हैं. ठीक है. अगर अकेला क्वेश्चन, अ सेपरेट क्वेश्चन comes that management is a science, then you have to give all the points. You have to say that yes, these all points have been satisfied by the management, but since the principles of management are not very rigid as of a science, so it is a soft science, it is a perfect science. This is the correct answer for this question. And what about the management? If a question comes for profession, that management is a profession or not, then you have to write that it is a profession, but it is not a pure profession. ओनली टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट जो होती है वो सेटिस्फाई करते हैं पूरे के पूरे प्रोफेशन के फीचर्स को. बाकी जो है लास्ट के 2 फीचर्स उसमें रह जाते हैं. दैट्स वाई इट इज़ एन इनकम्प्लीट प्रोफेशन, नॉट अ प्योर प्रोफेशन, राइट. सो चिल्ड्रन, नाउ यू मस्ट हैव लर्नड और अंडरस्टूड अबाउट द नेचर ऑफ मैनेजमेंट, कि अगर हम मैनेजमेंट को साइंस की तरह देखें तो वो कैसा है, प्रोफेशन की तरह देखें तब वो कैसा है, और आर्ट की तरह देखें तब वो कैसा है. It's fine.